Leader will not add. It is an adjournment motion, 5 minutes. Minority Leader.
Madam Speaker, let me once again add my voice to this matter. And I see us losing the point, really. Because in my view, as we speak, there's even no accused person who is in court. We only have a suspect. I'm hoping that there will be evidence to charge somebody and eventually have them convicted and probably jailed. But as we speak, Madam Speaker, the issue at hand is that governments or states anywhere in the world have got a cardinal responsibility to protect life and property of its citizens. There can be no higher responsibility for any state than to protect the lives of its citizens. What we are staring at is a case where we have lost now approaching 100 Kenyans. And yet we are being made to believe that the state was caught unawares. It can never be possible that a functioning state can fail to detect murder of this magnitude. Madam Speaker, I said yesterday, and I want to repeat it here, that what is currently being done by state functionaries, from police to whoever, of rushing to Kilifi, is too little, too late. The question I keep on asking myself is, what are they rushing to do in Kilifi? Are they rushing there to go and count the bodies? Or are they rushing there to go and take photos? Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, if there is failure of the state, then this is it. And I dare say that this is unprecedented failure of the state. And it would appear as if the residents of Kilifi are not equal citizens in this country. Because if they can be left to die like rats as we watch, as the state watches, then what else can you conclude it to be? And I'll speak. I have said before, and let me repeat again, that the police and all the security agencies must get their priority right. It cannot be that when it comes to chasing politicians, when it comes to policing politicians, they are at their best. When it comes to protecting the lives of helpless Kenyans, they are nowhere to be seen. Madam Speaker, I am saying this from a point of knowledge and information. Madam Speaker, in the recent past, I've had to change cars, change vehicles, just to try to escape from this idea of being followed by these fellas, these agents. They are at their best when pursuing politicians, trying to find out where Wandayi is, what he is doing, whom he is with, and what is he saying. That is not the primary role of our security agencies. And therefore, what we would expect as a house, before anything else is done, is that those who are responsible must take responsibility. Before you run to that place called what? Huh? Before you run to Shakahola, you, Bwana IG of police, you, the person in charge of internal security, you must take responsibility. And the only way to take responsibility is by first resigning, Madam Speaker. As we speak, we would have expected to see resignations of those who slept in the job. But more importantly, we must dig deeper into this matter and try to find out what was actually the cause of these deaths. We could be assuming it was starvation, but who knows? Somebody could be running a cartel, somebody could be running a network of people who are selling body parts. Who knows? And therefore we expect that the evidence, the exhibits are preserved until we undertake proper post-mortem for us to understand exactly the cause of these deaths, Madam Speaker.